Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys the strategy that allowed me to take $5,000 to $14,000 in 7 days. Yes guys, real money, real withdrawals, and real profits. Also, I did this live, everyday live, Monday through Friday with my signature room.
Everything you calling on point, bro.
I appreciate you, man. The money that I spent on the course has been on point.
Links in the description, guys. There's a Telegram link and there's a Discord link. They're both the same. You still get the signals, you get the calls, you get the live chats with us. They're literally just two different platforms. So before we dive into the video, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a video. Also, comment down below. Let me know, did this video actually help?
Now, shall we begin?
There's 4 main components that help me take $5,000 to $14,000. First thing is trend. The second thing is level of support. The third thing is level of supply. And the fourth thing is consistency. Let's jump straight onto the markets and show you guys exactly how I did it step by step. First things first, guys, is finding our trend. What I usually like to do is I like to start off on my daily time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger the trend, and also the stronger levels of supply and demand. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab my path tool and understand the higher highs and higher lows. Let's do it. So I always like to start at the bottom. We start at the low, then we got this high, we got a higher low, then we got a higher high. We can skip all this, higher high. We got a higher low, then we got a higher high, and then we just started to kind of consolidate in this area, right? As we're looking at this, we can understand, 1, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, and 2, that the trend is going up. If we are going down, guys, we'll be creating lower lows and lower highs. And in this case, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So we are pushing to the upside. So I know as long as we don't break the previous higher low, we're gonna continue to keep going in that direction. So what do I mean by breaking that previous higher low? Well, guys, this is the previous higher low. So this is a new founding level of what? Support. So here goes number 2. Understand your level of support. So since we are on an uptrend, we're looking for potential buys off this area, but you gotta be careful for fake outs as well. And this is what I mean. Our second component is our level of support, which is our previous higher low, guys. And as you can see here, I'm gonna draw this across. I'm gonna draw this little zone between the bottom of the wick and like the bottom of the body. And this is our new founding level of support. So step 2, we already found our level of support and we already found our trend. So now let's see if we can find our level of supply. So that leads us into step 3, guys. So we already understand where our level of support is, which is right here. Now we can draw another zone at the top, which is our level of supply, guys. So now we can see that we're trading between these 2 zones. Remember when I said that fake out? Remember when I said, hey, that fake out can get you? This is what I mean. So as you guys can see here, how we were, let me erase this real quick so you guys can understand, right? So we already understand that if we put this to the side, it's going up. We got a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. If you look at my drawing right here, that's exactly what's going on. So I can delete this. I already understand that we are going to the upside. We understand where our support is. We understand where our resistance is. And this is what I'm talking about with the fake outs, guys. So as you can see here, how once we broke under this level, we understood that we potentially can be selling. Remember, guys, the trend is overall up, so she could be grabbing liquidity and potentially keep pushing towards the direction. Remember, the daily is still saying we are bullish, so I'm gonna wait for that bullish signal, guys. And this is where the fake out came into play. So as you can see how, right, she came under the support, couldn't hold it. The next candle came right above and closed above the level of support. So she tried to turn the level of support into resistance, but we couldn't do it, couldn't hold, which was a fake out. Now we turned the level of resistance back into a support level. Now we're officially gonna be looking for that buy signal. Now we're just gonna wait for this candle to close above. I'm gonna go long at the level of support. I'm gonna grab my long tool. Understand my long needs to be at the level of support. My stops need to be right under these previous wicks here for, I would say, a 10-point stop loss. That looks great. And then my target is going to be a beautiful 38 points, guys. So with these 3 things, guys, it lets you understand what's going on and set a game plan up. So I know if this trade comes back under this level, we potentially can be selling again. But if it stays above it, it holds my stops, doesn't break the stops, I know the trade is still overall bullish, and it was just a fake out to the downside, guys. And literally just them 3 things I did every day to turn the $5,000 into $14,000. And number 4 is consistency. The biggest thing is doing it over and over and over again. Practice makes progression. It never makes perfect because you can never be perfect in the Forex market. You never know what's actually gonna happen. It's all about probabilities. So as long as our probabilities are aligning and you're taking these steps day in and day out, you are gonna be a profitable trader. But you gotta follow the steps. First thing is following trend. Second thing is understanding your level of support. Third thing is level of supply. And the fourth thing is consistency. Obviously you execute But those are the biggest things, guys. If this video did help you out, make sure you drop a big like and comment down below what part helped you the most, and also comment what do you want to see from this channel. I want to start posting more stuff, especially more educational videos. If you haven't checked out my last video, I made $9,000 live. Also, join our live signals. Click the link below, join our Telegram, or join our Discord. Don't miss out. Come make money with us and also educate yourself at the same exact time. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.